Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to control panel missing from start menu Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to pin control panel to start menu on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so it is easy. Firstly click on start. Now scroll down, click on Windows System, click on and here control panel, so right click on pin to start. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to control panel missing from start menu Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.